Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, April 30th, 2025, we're analyzing Litecoin, LTCUSD, combining news and chart data to get a comprehensive view. Recent news indicates a generally positive sentiment around Litecoin, with mentions of upcoming ETF panels and increased mining efficiency. CoinMarketCap shows Litecoin currently trading around $86, with a slight increase in the last 24 hours, but we'll see if the price action corresponds to this on the charts. Let's start with the daily chart to get a long-term perspective. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see that Litecoin has experienced significant volatility over the past year. A major spike occurred around March 2024, followed by a retracement. Since then, the price has fluctuated, establishing a general range. More recently, we see another drop toward the present day, which could have been influenced by some news regarding LTC. Now, let's narrow our focus to the more recent price action on the 1-hour chart. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we see more granular price movements. Notice the support forming around the $70 to $74 level in early April 2025, acting as a buffer against further declines, corresponding to the news. A short-term upward trend can be observed, but the price failed to break beyond resistance at the $78 level. Now, let's zoom in for a short-term view using the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, we observe the recent price action with even greater detail. There's a clear consolidation pattern forming, with the price oscillating between $83 and $88. This suggests indecision in the market, with neither buyers nor sellers dominating. A break above $88 could signal a bullish continuation, while a drop below $83 might lead to further downside. But with the recent drop on the daily and hourly chart, this is looking more likely to be bearish short-term than bullish. It's always important to use the tools to your disposal, so pay attention to trading volume. To recap, key price levels to watch are the support around $70 to $74, resistance around $78, and the $83 to $88 consolidation range. While recent news leans slightly bullish, the charts show potential for both upward and downward movements. A breakout above $88 would indicate a short-term bullish trend, while a drop below $83 would suggest a potential revisit of the $70 to $74 support. The one-day chart also indicates that this support may not hold for long if tested. Monitor volume closely, as increased trading activity often precedes significant price swings. Keep an eye out for major news events or announcements related to Litecoin, as these could act as catalysts for volatility.